This video is an extract from a 1-hour session packed with top tips for artists. Thanks for watching and enjoy this free video.
This is a question that we're asked a lot. Should I put my price on the work, on the website, or in the studio, or in a little exhibition that you're putting on somewhere? The answer is always yes. We say, don't leave people guessing. If you don't include the price, how is anyone going to know how much the work is? People are busy or they get intimidated. They don't want to ask. They feel awkward. There's a kind of human nature in such that we feel that if we have to ask, we probably can't afford it. So we don't ask. Or if we do ask, then we feel maybe we have to buy it, and if it's too much we won't be able to buy it, so we would rather not be put in that awkward situation, so we just don't ask. If you're having an exhibition or if you're having an open studio, put the price on a physical price list or on a label by the work. Wherever it is, whether it's on a list or on a label, make sure it's obvious and that people can see it. I've been to exhibitions, particularly open studios, where there's no one in the studio at that moment, and you're wandering around and there's no price. How do I know? I come out of the room, I bump into the artist, and I say, oh, how much is that work? And they go, oh, hang on, I've got a price list. And on their desk or shoved in a corner, there is a price list. But how was I meant to know? If I hadn't bumped into the artist, met the artist, I would never have known. So make it really, really obvious. And likewise, on your website, make sure that all the information, whether it's the medium, the size, the year, and the price, are easy to find. You've got to keep these things simple. You know, keep it simple, stupid, is what they say. You remember that. KISS, keep it simple, stupid. And we are all stupid. So remember, treat us like idiots, and we will thank you for it.
I love that. This is a really big one. Don't leave people guessing. Don't make them jump through hoops. I think it's easy to forget the person's point of view on the other side. I get this very, very often where people in my friends or family know that I work in art. So they'll come to me and they'll say, hey, I saw this work by this artist online. Do you know what it costs and what should I do? Should I ask them? Do I need to be on a waiting list? Most people nowadays expect for you to just tell them the price. Otherwise, they're either too busy or too intimidated or both to ask you because it's really scary. And we've all been in that awkward position. I remember being in this position where an artist posted her work on Instagram and I reached out saying, I really like this work. How much is it? And then this was this awkward thing of it was way beyond what I thought or what my budget was. And I had to politely say, I think it's gorgeous, but it's not in my price range. So telling people ahead of time avoids them that potential awkwardness. Make the price as obvious as possible. If the work is for sale, then there is no reason for you to be shy about saying that it's for sale and how much it is.
Thank you for watching this video. To watch the full 1-hour video and get our step-by-step advice, then click the link below to join the Art Ladder today. You'll get access to our entire library of content, giving you a clear roadmap to success as an artist. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the link below for more artist resources.